So we have two tool boxes here. Use it for storage. DOT window is 22 by 36. Right here we have connection that goes from cab to the sleeper. I'll show you inside how it looks like. So basically you turn on the truck and then either heating or cooling goes straight to the sleeper. Also we installed these two seats. Then we have a seamless entry, so you don't see the rubber, so it looks like one piece. Have outlets to charge your phone. This is for emergencies here, in case you need to break the window or something. You can just break it easily with a hammer. Cabinets for two drivers, because it's a double bunk sleeper. For storage, so you have storage here, and then you have underbed storage and extra storage right here. So we designed this and that you can use it at the same time. So you remove this and use this, and then when you want to turn on the light, it goes automatically, like you turn on all of these lights. So we got extra storage for them, let's say for chain, soil, whatever you want to do. Just put it back like this and close this. And there is a carbon monoxide sensor to keep you safe. Also lighting, you can adjust here, plus and minus. If there is a sun, you just put this. Emergency window, simple as that. In case of an emergency, you just remove this net, then you can escape. Here we brought the hot or cold air from that pipe over there to here for one driver, and there is one for the second driver. And here is the barrier for the second driver to keep him safe. Let's say you're driving, you have any road collisions, whatever, this is gonna protect the driver from falling. Right here, have underbed storage. Just pull this up, just click it here. You don't need that anymore, just put it back. And mattress can stay here, you can sit here, put this back, and then you have it's super safe.